Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas and I've got my colors right here in front of me. The first one that I've got is from FolkArt and it is White Pearl. The second one is from Artst Loft and that is quinacridone magenta, and I added some iridescent medium to that. And the next one is Artst Loft Metallic Purple. I've also got Artst Loft Metallic Blue and Artst Loft Metallic Phthalo Green. Alright, so what I plan on doing is I'm going to do a sandwich flip cup, and I'm just going to use more of the pearl white color. I'm hoping to maybe go for like an oyster effect or like an opal or something like that. So we'll see what happens. So I'm just going to start, and I'm going to start with the pearl white, a generous amount, and I'm not going to put any silicone or alcohol or anything in here. And all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, floetrol, and a little bit of water. So I'm not really sure how this is gonna work. Oh, spilled it. I was just hoping that it would be really pearl, or even, you know, like pearl-like. I don't know. We'll see. Just another one of those fun experiments. And this green is really, really pretty. Alright, now we're going to top it off. There's a lot of paint in here. I don't have much of that left. Alright, I'm going to move these out of the way. Okay, and today I am just going to do one of these numbers. I usually don't, but I'm gonna today. Alright. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty in there. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, quite a bit of air bubbles. Pop those. Alright, so I'm just going to start moving it. I'm losing all that pink. Oh, cool, it's coming up through a little bit. I don't want to lose it all though. This is so pretty. Look at all that. I didn't use any stuff in there either, so I'm just going to go over it lightly with my torch to pop any air bubbles. Not too many, just a few. Wow, I really, really like this. This is really pretty. Okay guys, I'm going to take you in for the close-up. This painting is absolutely beautiful. It's just crazy how pretty this is. I got more detail than I expected to without using any silicone or alcohol or anything, so I'm thinking that that pearl white had quite an effect on the other paints. So hopefully this dries nice and you guys will be able to see, so stay tuned and I will show you when it's all dry. Okay guys, here's the painting all dry. It is absolutely stunning. These colors are just so beautiful. It dried exactly the same. The colors are still nice and vibrant and pearl-like. And I am super happy with how it looks. Also super happy that when I go to seal it, I don't have to worry about cleaning off any silicone. Alright, so there it is. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.